Hi guys, I'm with my friend Lava. How? All I know is V is flashlight. A D W D W is W's top door. Yeah. S I don't know what S. X is X does. You mean toy sticker? Today I'm gonna be doing a song. Today I'm gonna be doing a song. Let's just get started. Making holes. Who are you to do this? Live your life like you're the only one that deserves to live. You made us cry, made a mess of families. I used to know the control, but now something's gotta give. What goes around comes around, wow, wow. Goes around, wow, wow. You know what to say about dirty lies. There's a cover, don't forget that you'll die. I miss out for us to walk together. There'll be out the dreadful hurt that dear the bar, the gate, no hide it deep. Let the shadows get no shelter. That it takes the weight behind the mask you yourself create. But goes around, comes around, round, round, goes around, comes around, bow, bow. You know what to say about dirty lies. There's a cover, don't forget that you'll die. There's a cover, don't forget that you'll die. We are outcasts now, then you're the reason why we are. You do but both soldiers like a screaming and the hearts are broken balls forever down. But at least we have each other now. When you're alone against the world, 'cause that comes around, yeah, comes around. That's a cover, don't forget that you'll die. You know what they say about dying life. Yeah, the time, but don't forget, then you'll die. No, no, no! Well, also the satisfied. Let's go to heaven now. Whew. That was Don't Forget, the song by Try Hard Ninja, the Foxy song part 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Memes.